Did you need some help?
Yeah, I didn't realize I had a flat tire.
Wow.
Until my kid got out.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's spare in there.
Oh, no spare?
Got it.
You're welcome. Check if you got a spare. Let me see something quick. Like, literally. Let's see. But it's like, be helping just a little bit.
Good look. It's progress.
Promising. It's a promise. Were you dropping your kid off to school as well?
Yeah, at Homer Plus. Honestly, terrible. I wouldn't have even noticed. He got out of the car. He said, "You know your tire's flat."
Oh, you didn't feel that? Like, wow, that's pretty good. If the vehicle was that smooth.
I guess maybe because it was the fat. Yeah, I don't. It wasn't like that in the driveway, so I wonder if I hit something.
Let's see. I think I got a good grip on it now. Felt something on my toes.
You think it's just gonna drop now?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Okay.
I got this car used, so I hope this scares me.
Right. If it's still dangling, I'll let it down all the way.
May I ask what you do that you were so prepared for this?
Sometimes I help on the roadside. Yep.
Like, what are the chances somebody with cones and knows how to do this stops in front of me?
Right. So this is supposed to loop through here some kind of way. There we go.
You got it?
Yeah, I had to, I guess, manhandle it for a second. All right. Let's do this. Guess we have to use yours because none of these fit. And I've seen sometimes these things they don't hold up, you know.
These are also like the different tires.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I think this is the one for this tire.
Okay. Put this back.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Oh, wow. Special.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, yeah. Let's see. Yep. There she is.
I feel like I must have rolled over something for it to deflate that quickly.
Right.
There's got to be a big hole. Oh.
You see something?
Oh,
Watch your back too, if you can. kind of loose in your jack. I'm gonna go grab something from my car real quick. Put something in front of the tires just in case. Right there. You ever had to change a tire?
I personally have never changed a tire.
All right. I'm just going through some of the motions here. This. The steps. And there's a wedge here area that you're supposed to put it in properly. So the insert along that wedge is supposed to support the vehicle. Let's make sure this is kind of stabilized. Right. We got to do the old school way. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's what that's for.
Yeah, and this goes right here. Let's see. Make sure it stays stabilized. Sometimes it likes to shift on me like that. Let's hook it the other way to see that work better. I just want to raise it just enough to get this tire off.
Yeah.
A little rhythm. Look, the rubber gloves are going with it. Twisting with the thing. Isn't that something? That's funny. Let's get this here. You got any important meetings to go to, huh?
No, I just showed my boss a picture of my tire.
There you
So
go.
I said, I might take this one on the phone.
I might try to squeeze it off there, but if not, I'll loosen this. Try to jack it up a little bit higher. Just a little bit.
Go get a tire from Costco.
Costco?
I don't know if they make you buy all four though. I know they have the tires over there.
Yeah. Good thing you had this.
Yes, last time I got my tires rotated, I remembered I had to bring that. Now these are special tires, so we have one different tire.
This should be fine. Okay.
Is this
Yep,
a two-person pull?
I'm gonna have to get a little bit higher because it's still ripping the bottom there. Thought I would cheat it a little bit. Can't cheat the system.
Oh no, it's going
It's
up.
moving?
It's going up, yeah.
Okay, these gloves suck.
There you go.
these gloves keep getting caught in here.
That's a good idea. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's going up. Okay. Oh,
There we go.
popped right off there.
All right. Watch your back. The road runner. You heard the little beep. All right. So this thing is a little bit higher than I expected. So I'm gonna have to raise it up some more.
With this tire?
Say again?
Are these special bolts or whatever going to work with this tire?
We're gonna find out.
Oh, okay.
If not, you might have to go to a tire store and just get that one.
Oh,
replaced.
yeah, maybe.
Easy. Even higher. Let's
It's
hope.
a tall donut.
Yeah, it is. So. Like, am I going in circles? Literally.
The car is getting higher, but it looks like that part is getting higher.
All right, here we go. I think this is it. There we go. Do you I wouldn't recommend driving on this too long.
Yeah.
Like if you can get to a tire shop at some point, maybe even today, that would be great.
Yeah, I don't know how much I trust this tire. Like I said, I got this car used, like from CarMax, so no telling what's going on with the spare. There's that tire center that reopened on Claiborne too. They used to only take cash, but I think they're.
Oh, on Claiborne, yeah, I know.
But I think they're not that.
Let me sit down. Make sure it's evenly distributed. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the closest one, I think. It's like kind of not like super official looking, but they do help with
Yeah, the
tires.
blue one.
Yeah. Oh, did I use yours? This right? Move it too quickly.
Okay, the tire center at Costco doesn't open until 10 a.m. That's unfortunate.
So we got that. Let's lower it and then we'll tighten it some more.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you think those will hold that on even though they're the special ones?
They are the special ones, but they're touching all the way to the tire rim.
Okay.
To the back part of that bolt, because I'm not feeling any kind of give.
Okay.
So maybe just go straight to the tire shop.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
At this point.
This is my boyfriend coming late. Better late than never, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh no.
These are yours.
Oh, right, okay.
And I'm going to twist this back down. And we definitely don't want you to keep up with this here. You want to put that back there too, sir? Or might fit right there. My wife is gonna be like, Tyrone, you up to it again, huh? My son always laughs and like, she's not gonna believe you just ran up on somebody that happened to need something changed.
The timing was
impeccable.
wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you. That's an
God.
even better word. My motto is above and beyond the call. Doesn't take a call, it's just a call. So, it helps out.
As you can tell, I just do not know what.
Oh, it's okay. It's like a puzzle piece sometimes. Yeah.
Wrap it up somehow.
It was, let's see.
This was just surrounded, I guess, so it doesn't.
There you go. Perfect. And this goes in. Oh, we gotta bring this back up. That's right. So,
This is not fitting.
this.
There we go. Okay.
And this has got to go back up, so it won't be dragging. Let's see. So we were going that way earlier, I think.
We were going the way that you didn't think to go.
Yeah. Slowly raising. And make sure this goes all the way up, and then whoever does this thing, you let them know. They probably know to go here, but just in case. I think we're closer. It's like bringing in a big swordfish.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking of. That's so funny.
Yeah. Some big game fish. I guess they'll let me know when to stop. That's okay.
I don't see it anymore.
Yep. There we go.
I guess it's good.
Oh. Put this on top. Every little piece counts. These car makers make every little piece count, so it's for something. This way.
This I had up front because I didn't want to forget about it.
This goes in there. Oh.
Was that in there too?
Yeah, it was like this.
Oh, okay.
And then somehow,
That was also in there.
yeah, I don't know where at this point. Everything's accounted for. And this,
We're just gonna put this here.
All
Looks
right.
like a good spot for it.
Make sure. Yeah, it's supposed to go that way. Nope. Feel like I'm back in kindergarten or something, trying to figure things out. I think that's it on that. Let's get the. You can put that down, because we're gonna put the tire back here. Now, can this lay flat? Okay. All right. We're getting it done one way or another. Yeah, please. Is your child taking a leap as well?
Yes, she is.
Okay. Did we figure out what it was? Did we see a nail or anything? Oh, I don't know.
I don't know this side.
Oh, I can't see anything on that side, so maybe on the other side. Let's move this out here. See anything? They may find out what it is when they put the water and stuff on it.
Yeah.
And then see. I'll get a few more paper towels.
I don't see anything, but that's a, you know.
Yeah. Good stuff. All right, I just helped a lady near my son's school. Her son goes to the same school, and I just happened to roll by and see her flat tire. She had pulled over, so I assisted her. All that being said, off of, I believe, Phillip Street. So at the Homer Plessy School area. So all that being said, helped her change her tire to the spare. And got all the way through the process. It took a second because there were some new things with this particular vehicle that was a little bit different. I didn't even pay attention to what kind of vehicle it was. I should have a little bit more. And, you know, helped her out the best way I could. And we got the spare on there, tight and right. And fortunately, a friend of hers came by to help out at the very end. So he's gonna get her tire, which I recommended to her. I don't know if it was caught on video or anything, but grab her tire. Her flat tire, take it to the shop immediately so they can replace it with a new tire. And then the spare is on there, but it was best that maybe they just go ahead and replace the tire now, go get that done. And sorry, just hit some bumps here. And these cars are no mercy. They force me to the side. Safety first. So all that being said, so I recommended that they go take that tire, flat tire, directly to the tire shop, get it replaced, bring it back, and put that tire on the vehicle. That way, that ensures that she has a proper fitted tire, inflated tire, and a new tire on the vehicle, and she should be good to go to be back on the road safely. So that's what it's important, safety first. You know, take your safety precautions. She pulled over to the side. We put out cones. I put my vest on, and we took all the necessary safety precautions to do this in a safe and orderly manner. And hey, that's how we roll here at Archangel Roadside. Very nice person. I wish her the best. Her son the best with their testing. Finish out the school year. 8th graders. My son's 8th grade. Finish out and roll out to the next level. And that's what we like to do. Do things in order, and do it in honesty, and do it with integrity, and work things out the way it needs to. All right, tough morning. I might have to go get some change of clothes to go to the next spot where I need to be. And so if there's another one, you know I'll be on it somehow, some way. And she said it was wonderful timing that I happened to be rolling by to assist her with this. So that's how we roll. So our motto is above and beyond the call. All right, Archangel Roadside out.